Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I have another Valentine's Day collection that I'm going to be trying out. Now, I'm not going to be trying all the items. I'm just going to be trying one thing. And it's going to be the ColourPop Secret Admirer eyeshadow palette. I thought it was really cute and I thought it was appropriate for Valentine's Day, and I bought it. So yes, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so today I'm going to be playing with ColourPop's Secret Admirer eyeshadow palette. I thought the collection was so cute. So yeah, that's the only thing that I bought besides the little cute brush that came in this box. How cute is this? ColourPop Mystery Date 1 hairbrush. Prep hair for your mystery date with a super cute heart-shaped brush. And this is what the brush looks like. I think ColourPop comes out with the cutest accessories for their collections. I actually bought this, but not for myself. I'm going to give this to my daughter for Valentine's Day. She loves doing her hair, so I figured this will be a cute little Valentine's Day thing to put in her little basket that I'm creating for her. And for my other daughter, I bought the 2 hair clips. So they look like peach gummies. So cute. So I'm going to give her these. Well, I'm going to put them in her little Valentine's Day basket that I'm working on. So I bought that as well as the palette. I didn't buy the blushes because I don't really go for single blushes. I usually like to have like a palette with a variety because I like to mix and match certain blushes. So yeah, I didn't buy any of the blushes, even though the packaging was cute. I know I'm not gonna use it, so why buy it, right? So this year we're trying to be more mindful of what we spend. So yeah, anywho, so like I said, I bought the palette, which is called the Secret Admirer. Looks like this. How cute. And look at the packaging in the back. See how it opens up like a little envelope. How cute is that? So this was so cute. Let me show you the palette, the same as the outer packaging, and in the back it has the names, which is great. And this is what the palette looks like right here. So there's no mirror, and then here are all the shades. How pretty. How pretty. So today I actually want to play with this pink, bright pink color. Not sure what I'm going to do, but I want to play with that bright pink. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to first, actually, so far I have my eyebrows done. I got them outlined and filled in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the dual powder in Ebony. I also concealed the lids with MAC's Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I set that with translucent powder. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, and for today's look I want to go for that cat eye, so I'm going to use tape. I just think it's easier. So let me get 2 pieces of tape, and I use any tape. So I'm going to apply them to the back of my hand just so they're not as, sticky when applying it to my face. And I'm going to make sure to put the tape kind of in the line of this part of my eye to the end of my brow. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'm going to make sure that they're aligned. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette. And for, let's see if I have any creases. No creases, which is perfect. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in with my blending brush. For my blending brush, I'm going to be using the Morphe R37, which is this nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to be using the color, let's see, Everlasting, which is this color right here. And I'm going to apply that all over the crease area. This color is very pigmented, so I'm going to apply that to my crease. With these colors, you have to go in a little light-handed just because they're very, very pigmented. Alright, now I'm going to go in with another brush, and it's like a more detailed shading brush. It's a little more fluffy, it's not as dense, and this is the Sedona Lace EB09. And I'm going to use this to apply, I'm going to go in with Hey Girl first, and then I'm going to go in with this dark color called My Everything in this outer part of my eye. So first I'm going to start with Hey Girl, just to help blend. Very nice colors, very pigmented. Love that. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that darker plum color called My Everything, which is right here. And I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my crease. So like right over this color that we used. So we're going in with My Everything. We're just building dimension, which I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my glitter glue, and I'm gonna use the Too Faced glitter glue. And I'm gonna be applying that to this empty space right here so I can go in with the glitters. You know, I figure this is something I always do, so I'm just gonna do it. So now I'm gonna go in with the color, let's see, Too Cute, which is that hot pink color in the middle. So I'm gonna place that color right, and I didn't tell you what brush I'm using, but I'm using this Motives like little fat shader brush, and it doesn't have a name, but it's, like I said, a little fat shader brush. I'm gonna grab that Too Cute eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna place it here, right here. Ooh, this is like a hot pink, like a Barbie pink. Now I'm going to grab this color called In the Moon, which is this shimmer shade Champagne, and I'm gonna apply this to the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna grab this Morphe times Mickey and Friends, this MM2, like a little brush, flat shader brush with the pointy tip, and I'm gonna go in this inner part. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, I have to definitely use my fingers. I'm gonna go in with that pink, kind of, sort of, blend them out. Fingers are your best tool. Now I'm gonna go in with My Everything shade and just blend this little corner out right here. I'm gonna go in with Everlasting, that pink shade that we used in our crease, to go over it all. This looks so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go in with that champagne color one more time. Fix this here. Wow, I am loving this look. Oops, wrong brush. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the finished eye look. Well, not finished because I still have to do my complexion and my under eye. But let me do that off camera and then I'll come back, show you the final result, and then we can talk about it. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Okay, so my thoughts is I love this palette. I love all the pinks that it has. I love that it has light shades. I love the fact that it has some dark shades where you can intensify, you know, the look. You know, you can bring it from day to night. You know, I kind of look for that in a palette. I love how I was able to build dimension in my eye look. So yeah, there's nothing really much else for me to say, but I really love this palette. It was really pigmented. A little goes a long way. Little dip goes a long way. And yeah, this is perfect for Valentine's, you know, if you want to wear something flirty. So yeah, I really like it. So that's my look using the palette. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll catch you on the next one.